Today I just got 3 things in from Weaver. 3/4 inch rich gold shearling, 13 plus, 13 foot. Pair of overshoe 3-inch deep ropers, and a 3 to 4 ounce suede shaft split in the rust color. So open the box up, take a look at it. See what we got today. Nice set of stirrups. Wool skin for lining and back this custom saddle. I think the tree's right back there. And I like to have my suede splits rolled up like this. If they're folded, sometimes it leaves crease marks. And for a saddle seat, I like them to be pretty smooth. Got a little orange tint to it. That's not exactly what I had in mind. I like the color for myself, but it won't work for what I'm doing. I need a little red or rust. So, probably my bad on that deal. I love that orange though. I'll keep that and I'll order one of the red rust. In my younger days, I cut a pair of Wrangler breeches apart and made a pair of leather suede breeches using the Wrangler pattern, and the color was very similar to that. Then I buck stitched them down the side. That reminds me of that. I don't think I'll be making a pair of leather breeches now, though. Alright, let's take a look at the wool skin here. This is a 13 plus. I've got my saddle skirts roughed out here. And that looks like that'll work just fine. I like, this is the butt part of the wool skin, and this is the neck. If at all possible, I like to have the front of my skirts that way, back here. A couple ways I can place those. I like a nice big hide like that, so it saves you a lot of time if you can just lay those down on there and line your skirts. So that was good. I'm very happy with that. My bad on the suede. I'll have to get a little redder colored suede split for my saddle seat. So happy with this and the stirrups, and talk to you later.